I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading, no? So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So you may think that this is a synchronicities, no? Pero the message is meant to find you when you need it the most. So, I feel like medyo depressed tayo ngayon, no? Lagi tayong nagtutulog, lagi tayong feeling natin hapong-hapo. Wala tayong gana, no? Na kahit siguro mag-post. Yeah, hawak natin yung cellphone natin, pero we're just watching, no? Wala tayong ganong lumabas, makipag-socialize. It also felt like we're also dragging ourselves to work. So we lost the enthusiasm probably to live, or enthusiasm to wake up, or enthusiasm to probably know someone, no? There must be something deep inside that you can't handle, no? Siguro you're also keeping things within yourself. You're not sharing thoughts with your friends. Ang sabi dito, wake up. You are missing some cool shit. So, the universe is telling you, don't isolate yourself, no? To kind of, you're missing some opportunities. You know, just go outside, probably have what? A ray of sun might do, no? Sunlight is also important, especially sabi nila, no, sunlight can give you some happy hormones, which is dopamine, no? The Five of Pentacles, well, that's understandable why you don't want to go out, probably share your thoughts and energy because you felt ghosted, you felt like someone left you out in the cold, you felt like your person could have said something. I think that your person just disappeared without even saying a thing. So, parang sinasabi mo dito, ano bang klaseng tao to? Ang ayos-ayos kong kausap, ang ayos-ayos naman, no, na binibigay ko sa kanya ang aking attention, affection, no, hindi naman ako nagkulang. Of all the people, ako pa yung wawalang hiyain, no? So parang you also, that's probably the reason why you feel like you don't wanna talk to someone because you feel like people around you might going to hurt you in any other way. The Queen of Swords and the Ten of Cups, probably sinasabi mo rin dito sa sarili mo, I don't believe in love anymore. So medyo nanggigigil tayo dun sa pag nakakita din tayo ng mga naglalambingan. So yeah, that's a bit bitterness, no, on our end. Pero kasi hindi yung dahil sweet sila, no? Kasi parang naiinis kapag nakakita ka ng hanggang kailan itong taong ito ganyan, no? Alam ba niya nitong kabila na maaari siyang iwan, no? The same pain. So you're kind of like judging up, people. And again, sinasarili mo lang naman yon. Hindi mo nga ito kinikwento. So, you almost lost the faith in humanity. Parang, well, sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa atin, no? Lalo na sa bansang to. Let's have some tea. yung mga taong dapat pumoprotekta sa atin ay sila pa yung nagnanakaw sa atin. So, that's the tea, no? So, kung I mean, you feel like wala kang mapagkakatiwalaan, no? Yung taong mga mahal mo, no? Na feeling mo, minahal ka, iniwan ka pa, no? So, parang, I will be my own hero. I will be my own soldier, no? With the Knight of Cups and the Nine of Cups, parang sinasabi dito ni Universe, hoy, gumising ka, lumabas ka with the Knight of Cups. Meron pang pag-asa. Actually, there's some wish fulfillment. It may not be with your ex or with the people that you know, but there's actually billions of people around the world who might gonna give you the same happiness that probably you asked for or wished for. I know na parang, yeah, pare-parehas lang tong mga taong to, no? Parang sinasabi mo dito, the game is the same. No, the player isn't, but the game remains the same. The player may change, but the game remains the same. The Knight of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. Nakikita natin dito, there's actually really some good news in here. We may not have the, sabihin natin for now, no, the luxury to love other people. But then again, what you're missing here is the opportunity of getting money. So, yeah, sasabihin naman ng iba dito na money can buy happiness. O di kayo, no? Kayo. Money can buy happiness. And I feel like there's a lot of money waiting for you outside. Again, you may not be in a situation wherein this will be romantic in a way na meron kang jowa. Pero I feel like medyo masaya din naman ito kasi somehow mabibili mo yung mga gusto mo. There's actually a treasure, no? Na there's actually some treasure in here na pwede kang makakuha. The treasure may be a lump sum of money. It may be reward. It may be incentives. It may be going out with, expense paid. The magician. You can do things with, of course, money. No? Um, so this is my ano na lang, my 2 cents in this. Wala ka ng pera, wala ka pang jowa, mas malungkot. So okay nang wala kang jowa, pero madami kang pera. At least one of the aspect of your life, no, is happy, no? Um, Hindi naman masamang i-date mo ang sarili mo. Use that money for your own me time. Own me time, napaka-redundant. With the King of Swords, the Two of Swords. Yeah, you may have this learnings, no, so far. The reason why you are in separation because of the learnings. But these learning can really put you something into more wiser you, more productive you, more, parang sabihin natin, um, parang nasa straight, no, na thinking of you with the Two of Swords, the Seven of Swords, and the Death card. Um, Sabihin natin na this will be the last uh, person who's going to betray your trust. No, the Seven of Swords, the Death card, and the Two of Swords. So it felt like it's already an end wherein your people might going to hurt you and betray your trust. Yes, love is still going to happen with the Death card, the Four of Swords, and the Two of Wands. It is okay to rest. It is okay to rest your heart. It is okay to rest your bodies. It is okay to rest your mind, no? But with the Two of Wands, so lahat naman, no, may pinagdadaanan. And sadness is actually an emotion, no? pain is an emotion. I always say this. Um, Minsan kasi yung mga tao is more of running through pain, no? Ayoko kasi ano yan eh. Parang sasabihin, ayoko kasi malungkot yan. Pain is also an emotion, no? You need to face your demon. You need to face your pain. And kasama yan sa pagdadaanan, no? Yun nga lang, ang sabi ko nga is pagdadaanan, hindi siya tambayan. Pagdaanan mo, yeah, you cry and then move forward, no? Nakikita natin na sandali lang naman ito and everybody, somewhat, in some way, it may not be the same amount of pain that you are going through. It may be a little shallow or probably meron pang mas more than doon sa mga pinagdaanan mo. But they still survive that, no? And world is your oyster. So uh, the magician is here. You can do whatever you want. Pero wag mo nga lang, no? Um, Wag mo naman i-deprive yung sarili mong makakuha ng abundance because that can be a gateway, no? Probably because of that opportunity of money and probably you went what out of town, out of the country, you met someone. So just go with the flow, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of you because wala naman dito si X, no? The the zodiac sign may be your sun sign or a placement in your chart. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na to, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some questions, there is a link dito sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check now your zodiac sign. I'm seeing Leo, Gemini, Scorpio, Libra, Aquarius. I am seeing Pisces, Virgo, Aries, Cancer. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.